going to show you how you're going to add shorts to YouTube, and I'm going to show you the steps on how to do this. First, my name is Matt and I am your online business trainer. Every week I will be posting new videos on different topics relating to online business, on how to set up and grow your online business. Okay, so back to the video. So this video today is all about adding your shorts to YouTube, and maybe right now you don't know how to do that, and I have figured that out myself, and I would like to share what I know with you right now. So firstly, I'm going to just talk about one of my first shorts that I posted, and I'm going to explain to you how easy it is. So let me show you this short that I have and that I'm going to edit, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and it's really going to help you. So here it goes. So this is my short that I have, okay, and at the moment it's quite it's quite bland, and so what I'm going to do is, when I did add this short at that time, I didn't do one thing, and this is the thing that I wanted to do. Let me show you. So what I wanted to do is, if I go back here, so this is my channel at the moment, it's quite new. Hopefully I'm going to be adding a lot more videos on here soon, and it's going to be a lot more value, and it will really help you. Right now, so the video that I have right now, which is this is the YouTube short, and I want to edit this right now to make sure that it stands out a lot better. And so I will show you how to do this. So it's just a screen at the moment. Okay, so I want to make sure that I can edit this. So what do we do first is, you need to go to your studio. That is the first thing. Okay, and so in your studio you want to go to the video. So let me show you how you can get to your studio. So if you drop down to your profile, just here, and go to YouTube Studio, and if you go to the content area just there, click on there. Okay, this is where all your content is. So I want to add a short that I've just created on YouTube, which is very easy, by the way, and I think you know how to do it. What you should do with your short is, this is what you must do. Okay, and at the moment, as you can you see this little blue part here? I'm using an application that really helps you with your YouTube SEO, your search engine optimization for YouTube, and it brings up keywords. It tells you how good the competition is doing, what you should be doing on YouTube, and so on. I'm not going to get into detail with that in this lesson, but if I'll show you very quickly which one that is, and that's called vidIQ. I'll put a link to this in the description if you're interested. And these are the little price plans that they have at the moment: Basic, Pro, Boost, Max, and you can just try it out, which is what I'm doing at the moment on Basic, and it will give you it's a little limitation on there, but then you could if you like that, then you could basically upgrade it to a Pro. Okay, and it's a lot more functions and features on there, which I will probably do later. Now, getting back to the channel, to the video details, so this is what you need to do. Firstly, you need to have a title. Okay, you need to make sure that this title, so make sure that it actually stands out and that it's catchy, and it's search engine optimized for YouTube. How do you do this? Well, basically there is a way in doing this, And all you need to do is, if you go back into YouTube, okay, there is this way, which is technique 1. So for example, I typed in how to add shorts to, and as you can you see all the search words up here? These are all the keywords, okay? So you want to make a list, and you want to choose one of these, because this is what people are searching for right now. Okay, these are trends. It's a bit of a secret, that one, because I do SEO, search engine optimization, for Google, in Google, so they're pretty much all the same. Now, so choose your keyword that you want there. So this one, for example. Now, then you'll see all the videos in there, all the videos, okay? And these are all the people that have used, well, kind of similar keyword title to that, all right? Which I'm not going to get into this lesson, maybe another lesson, but this is just about shorts today, not SEO. So let me just get back into the video details. So when you get your title, you decided which title to put on, okay? Now, as I said, you can use the vidIQ. It gives you 3 credits remaining for the free plan, and it just gives you some recommendations. So, oops. At the bottom, there is your description. So you want to add in your description for your shorts. You can add up to 500 characters. Amazing. Always, with these shorts, you can add up to 3 hashtags. This is going to help with people searching your shorts, for searching your shorts, okay? You always want to use the shorts in there, the shorts hashtag, all right? And then you want to use a hashtag that people are actually looking for as well, okay? If you know SEO, this will index your shorts and to be much more easier to find later on. Also, so this is one thing that I really want to get into right now, and that is your thumbnail. So as you can see, I chose the wrong thumbnail, okay? And at the bottom, it gives you can have a selection of thumbnails that you can choose. Okay, there's 3 at the moment, or you can upload your own thumbnail. Now, I'm going to give you something really great right now, and that is a little template that I put together. Okay, and this is how to create a YouTube short, which what I'm going to do right now in front of your very eyes. I'm going to add this. Okay, and this is the template that I have, and you can actually get this in the description below. I will add the link, the share link to that, and you can download this. So just know this is that when people are looking on YouTube, the image will be 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels height, okay? And this will be the desktop view, all right? And up here in the middle, this is the vertical thumbnail. So this is on the smartphone going upwards. And what you want to make sure is that you want to, when you're doing shorts, is that you want to put the image in the middle. Okay, so when people are viewing online, viewing via their mobile, they can see a picture right in the middle. You don't want the picture to go over that, that viewing area, okay? Because then they'll see a crop of the picture, so they won't have the full picture. So let me show you a design that I created. So okay, in this template you'll have the main one to give you some information, and then here below you can start designing it. Now I've already designed this in Canva, and what you want to do is go to the design area, and this is one that I've already created. I put the short symbol here, which I just downloaded online, and then I added a title and so on, like so. Okay, and this is the title for the video, and I decided to add it here, and I put together this little design. Okay, Now, when you've downloaded this design, what you'll find is that the middle part will be shown on the mobile phone, and the rest of it will be on the actual um, laptop. So that will be the desktop view. So when you've completed that, you want to make sure you can now download it. By the way, this is Canva. If you're not certain what uh, this software is, I will do some tutorials on this later and show you how to design in Canva for all different types of online business, kind of social media templates and so on, even ebooks, and that will be a little bit later on. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go and download that uh, and save it to your computer or whatever it may be, your device. And I will put a link to this again in the description below. Okay. When you've downloaded that, what you want to do is you want to upload the thumbnail. All right. So upload the thumbnail, find the file. Okay, so I uploaded the thumbnail, which is just there, and now that's my thumbnail. Excellent. Again, this is kind of like another feature that you have with a vidIQ feature, but not necessary. So the playlist, so you can add a playlist. So you want to make sure that you add a playlist, shorts playlist. All right, you can just do that by saying new playlist, put in the title, it'll give you the playlist, but make sure it's shorts. No, it's not made for kids. There's no age restrictions and so on. Put the language in whatever language it is, and that will help with descriptions later. With the captions later. And the rest. Oh, this one as well. So, what is that video? What is the actual topic area? So for my one is how to and style. So how to do this. Okay. Now you've got the video in there. You've also got your shareable link. This gives you the video quality. It's an SD, not HD, because I didn't film it in HD. Add your key search term, which I will do a little bit later. And there is another thing that you can add, which is tags. Can you see this tag? Okay. This is going to help people in finding your video. This is really important. And there is a secret I'm going to share with you right now. So when you've downloaded this application, it's called vidIQ. What you want to do is this. So if you go back to the search, so I searched for this before, remember? Now, let's say you choose any one of these which matches your title. So I'm going to choose this. All right. So on here, let me just pause it for a second. There we go. As you can see, this vidIQ has dropped down a lot of information. This is SEO information. It's amazing, right? And if you just go down here, and you'll find a lot of information about this actual YouTuber and this particular video. Okay, and if you just go down, I won't cover this information in here, but what you want to look at is this. It's called video tags. Can you see? You want to download, you want to copy these, don't copy the name, and then with that. But the thing is that when you do go, one moment, when you do go back to your add tags, okay, it states at the bottom, can you see here, enter a comma after each tag. So you have to enter a comma after each tag. So what you should do is you want to, when you copy that, you want to make sure that you copy it in some document, into an app somewhere, and then add the commas in, okay? So for example, I've added the commas in there, and I will go back to the actual video again, adding the tags. This time it should work. There we go. Excellent. So I'm going to take that one off at the bottom. Right. Now, thing is, they put numbers in there, so I'm going to have to take off the numbers. So make sure I'm going to take off these numbers. Give me a second. Now, why am I doing this? Because this is going to increase the chances of how many people are going to view your videos. And if these tags have been used already in popular videos, then you know very well, because those videos they performed extremely well, right? Then if you add these tags, then your videos will do a lot better. Okay, so you don't need to search for them when you can actually copy them from someone else's. And this is why VDQ is great for this. Okay, so I added in the tags, excellent, and there are the tags, fantastic. So lots of people will be able to search for that. Okay, the last part is to have a look at this key search term. So at the moment, if you want to add a key search term, so let's see, one moment, it's the N. So at the bottom, it's going to give you an SEO score, which is 40.8 out of 50, which is pretty good. Yeah. Let's do the checklist. One card, one end screen, monetization enabled, add it to playlist, make public. So let's make it public. So that's how you add your shorts to YouTube. And those are some of the main steps that you can use right now to get some real views to your actual shorts. Okay, and I hope that really helps you. And I'm going to be posting a lot more like this very soon.